turn to God and rejoice. St. Paul is telling us, Philippians 4:4. Rejoice. And again I say, rejoice always in the Lord. When we are in the Lord, when we are one with the Lord, when we are united with the Lord in prayer, that's when we are able to rejoice. The mistake we make is this, that we concentrate on our troubles and our woes and our problems. And then we judge others. He or she is creating a problem for me. We judge others. And that makes it all worse than before. Any negative feeling will add to the affliction of our heart. And then anger and hatred well up in our hearts.